One often needs to do a quick print of a worksheet or part thereof. In the old days, this required either sticky tape, scissors and glue, or radical manipulation of one spreadsheet layout. Now there are some neat features in the printing options of Excel which can help avoid all that. So to print a selection of the spreadsheet, all you need to do is highlight the data you're wanting to print, go to File and Print, and then under the settings option where it says print active sheet, you can select print selection, and only that data which was selected will be printed. Another version of that is if I simply wanted to print one of the graphs or charts, I can select that particular graph, go to File and Print, and it will just print that selected chart or graph. Another neat feature is if you're wanting to print the entire spreadsheet, so without selecting a area, I can go to File and Print, and then to accommodate the spreadsheet on one page, first thing I'd need to change the orientation to landscape. That still has bits and pieces hanging over onto third, fourth, or second, third and fourth page. And to remedy that, I can first try and reduce the width of the margins by changing that to narrow. It adds a little bit more of my spreadsheet, but the best feature here would be to simply click on the scaling option and change that to fit sheet on one page. It'll automatically resize that sheet to fit on one A4 sheet of paper without having to resize any columns or font sizes or change the size of any graphs. It's a very quick and neat way to do a one-page print.